Alright, hey guys, this is the H&R Pardner pump shotgun. This one is a 12 gauge. I don't know if you guys could see that right there, but sorry, this is the camera off my phone, and I actually changed out this stock on it. This was the original factory stock. It was pretty nice, but I didn't like it. I wanted a 12 gauge tactical look, so I put this adjustable stock on it. This is the Blackhawk kit you could get for around 60 bucks over at Walmart. It is a 26-inch vent rib barrel with a modified choke, or 28-inch, my bad, and that is the bead sight. This is almost identical to the Remington 870, and it has the button just like on the Remington 870 right there. Alright, I really can't do this one-handed. But yeah, this is the 12 gauge. It is, I don't know if you see that right there. There we go. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys the shotgun. I do have another swivel set for this. This is the stock one. I have one to put a sling on it, but I currently have that sling on my 7mm. But yeah, I just wanted to show you guys that, so thanks for watching.